There now, welcome back to the garage. So today is another episode on Project Gretel. I'm going to fill you in a little bit on the order of operations for Gretel. So today we're going to strip pretty much all of her major ancillaries. So windows, doors, interior, boot bonnet and lights probably, bumpers. I'm not going to take much to get these bumpers off. But anyway, once we have that done, we're going to keep her as a rolling shell today. So we're going to leave in the subframes, the engine and the running gear. And in the next episode, we're going to build a jig. Now I do have a jig. You've seen the Riley Elf probably in the jig. That's a jig I built probably 6 years ago now. And I kind of knocked it together quickly at the time because I had a car that I needed to get to the paint shop. And I've learned a lot since I built that jig, and I've learned a lot about what would make for a better piece of kit. What I'm probably thinking is that once we have the rolling shell done, in other words, stripped her back to a rolling shell, the next video will build that jig. The jig I'm going to do is going to be kind of a multi-purpose jig. I'm going to try and build a rotisserie into it as well. So that should be a really interesting episode when we get to that. I have a good plan in my head that I'm going to try and lay down in some steel that I ordered. Then once we have the jig built, we'll do another episode of Project Gretel, which will be basically the final strip, which will be getting her subframes out, getting the engine out, getting all the last running gear out, and getting the shell, or what's left of the shell, up into the jig and ready to rock and roll. First order of operation is going to be to remove the ancillaries, so the boot, the doors, the bonnet, and then we will take out the glass, and then we'll have a look at getting out the interior. Let's go. Oh wow, this is crusty in here. Amazingly though, the bolts are open. I'll unbolt this boot. The futility of unbolting this when it's probably the actual only piece of structure. Oh yes. When the boot door is structural. I'm amazed that these nuts just, like the rust that's in here, look at this rust. And I can open these nuts with my finger. Let me show you this is deadly. Look at this. How is that? How's that nut like perfectly not rusted? This one, maybe not quite as rusted. Oh no, it is. Oh man, this is brilliant. I think she might have leaked so much oil that has protected all the nuts and bolts. Oh, this is excellent. Careful. Ginger carefully. perfectly fine to reuse. May get new boot hinges for it. First panel off, rusty. Very crusty. If I can get a socket onto anything in here, it's going to be a miracle. Not like the boot lid. These ones aren't just opening. I feel like the doors might need a more physical approach. Gretel is leaving her trail, just for fear Hansel mightn't be able to find her. I think we'll get a grinder. Alrighty, I think that is her door. Okay, let's give these every chance they can get. Yet another one. Alrighty, let's get this interior out. Gotta make a little bit of space here first. Ooh. Wasn't any mice living in this anyway. Might keep that bit. Eek. I'm just waiting for something to jump out here at any minute. Okay. Let's take that one out. And this on. One seat does plenty. You're putting that thing between. Oh look, it's Christmas time. 1971. Ooh, some OE wiper blades, I'd say. Oh yeah, from 1951. Ah, it's okay, we found it. No need to do any more. Put it back together. Do you think it might have been overheating at some stage? How many bottles of water is in here? Oh, little drop of oil as well. Might have had a wee oil leak. Oh, Gretel, you darling. Yes. Oh, some kind of a grease gun. Probably needed that. Was this the last owner's? It's either holding it together or it was the final solution. Evicting a family of field mice here, no doubt. It's a little unnerving when you're 2 black bags into one side of the car. Call that one full, I think. Alrighty. At least this driver's seat is well bolted in. That moment when you realise the driver's seat is actually structural. I think these carpets will come up fine with a good wash. That's a good quality distributor cap. Needs a little sanding of the points, I'd say. Alec is Gonus would be proud. Yes, Trey. Perfect. I am going to hazard a guess and say that we potentially might need a floor repair panel. I mean, maybe just a patch panel will do. Don't think we need to go crazy here. Oh man, that's epic. Alrighty, what have we got back here? Oop. That's not structural enough to lean on. Oh god. I'm going to drive this car to the Faroe Islands. Oh, wow. That is going to be an adventure. I'm so glad we never set a date for when we were going to the Faroe Islands. Spare rear lens. Ah, good old foot pump. Still good. Might have had a slow puncture. Now, might have to give that a bit of a polish, I'd say. Now, I wonder are the factory original screws in here? Ugh, a lot I can lean on. The floor is lava. Ooh, this could end badly. Ooh, structural carpet. Oh, I'm hearing crunching. Oh yeah. Might be. Ooh. Here we go. Yeah. Good job. Oh, it's looking good in here. Ah! There's not nice. She definitely might have been the brake fluid. I get the impression this car might have been slightly incontinent. Oh look, the jack handle. Okay. I think this guy has to come out. Oh, a couple of screws in there. Okay. You might spring for a new one of these. Okay, what have we got here? 11/16. Really hope I can find that button. It's in here somewhere. Can you imagine? The mouse didn't run off it. Restoring his own car. Would
that make it a mini mouse?
Oh, it's the little things. It is the little things. I wonder, can we still get these? Hey, if you know if you can still get these, comment in the comment section down below. It'd be great to see. I suppose maybe an auto jumble or something. Nice to keep it though. Like a quesadilla or a rotten fajita. Might need to hoover these afterwards. Ugh. What lies beneath? Not a lot. I think a floor is on the cards, alright. Hey, look at that back seat though. That's looking good. A little bit of surface rust there, but it's gonna survive. These quarters don't look too bad either. The colour looks good. Pockets might survive. Yeah. Alright. There's hope. I mean, it's not a lot of hope. Ooh. Ugh. Yeah. No, I think we're gonna need a crossbar. Yeah. Don't think it's meant to work like that. Eek. Wow. Was gonna send it out to sandblasting. I think if we just left it outside in the wind, that'd probably achieve the same result. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's one of those situations where the carpet is stronger than the cross member. Ooh. Right. These little beauties out. Oh, it does come over. Okay. Feel an email to Newton commercials coming up. Ooh. Yes. Well, in fairness to whoever built this car originally, plenty of sound deadening. Not a lot of steel, mind you, but sound deadening. That's there. feel like we're making progress now. Call this progress. What is this? A radio in here. Wow. Still be in this. What mysteries await us in here? Now, I suppose this headlining now. Next. Treat it to new door seals. These crumbs look good though. If I don't break them, take them. Feel like this other screw may not come out as easy. Let me see. Just pop this one out. My hip is just about to dislocate, but yeah. Let me get this mirror out, that's the important thing. Alrighty. Very careful. Yeah, we're going to spring for a new headlining. Call me, you know, somebody who just spends money willy-nilly, but ooh, yeah, bit of a leak. Ooh. I think we're going to need a door pillar anyway. Going to make a wild guess and say that Gretel may benefit from a new headlining. It's still good. Alrighty, so we're kind of at the end of today's video. I know I did mention taking the bumpers off and the lights out, but between how long it's after taking to get this far, and also I think it makes more sense to get the car up in the jig and get the subframes and stuff out before I get the bumpers and stuff off, because I think I'm going to have to cut them off. All the bolts are rotten and rusty. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, following me around for a bit of a laugh again in the workshop as we delved yet deeper and deeper into Gretel. Having a look at the car now, we can see we definitely need floor pans. We're going to need new A-pillars. Some of the front bulkhead is gone. It obviously needs new inner and outer front wings. Definitely a boot floor and a few other, pretty much all the panels, a few other panels, rear quarters and stuff like that. But when we get the car up in the jig in an episode or two's time, and we have, you know, all the crud and dirt power washed off, and we can actually see what we're dealing with, we'll make a panel plan then and see where we're going to go. As I said, I really hope you enjoyed following me with the video. If you did, and I have earned a subscription, please hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like and comment in the comment section below. A couple of questions. What colour do people think the car is? So have a guess down below and see what colour you think the car might be, its original colour. And other questions, yeah, the seat bracket. Anyone seen these around before? Think we can get them? Hopefully we can. Be nice to keep the seats original. I haven't even looked. Maybe they are online. They're easy to get or not. But let me know what the story is with that. And I will see you on the next one. 50.